problem statement.
That was so good, not gonna lie.
Stop! Why are you throwing the food like that?
It's garbage. What else am I supposed to do with it?
It's not only garbage. This garbage can create gas, which is energy.
Problem solving. Introducing BioBin.
BioBin is a compact, easy-to-use biogas digester for kitchen waste that converts food scrap into usable cooking gas. It uses anaerobic digestion, no fire involved, and is completely safe and eco-friendly.
By creating this product, it can solve problems such as food waste management. This is because BioBin converts food waste into useful energy and fertilizer on site, reducing garbage output. Second, it can also solve lack of waste awareness. BioBin serves as a learning tool for sustainability in homes, schools, and communities.
In short, BioBin is a low-cost, low-tech solution that promotes sustainability, self-reliance, and environmental responsibility.
Materials.
The materials needed for us to build our BioBin product are as following. Firstly, water gallon that can hold up to 20 liters of space. Next, small plastic bucket. Next, 2 transparent tubing, plastic bottle, preferably 1 liter, PVC pipe with tap, epoxy glue, mini stove, and lastly, kitchen waste.
Materials price. This is the price for every materials needed to build the BioBin. How to use BioBin.
First, we need to choose a suitable spot to place the BioBin, preferably outdoors or in a warm, ventilated area, ideally 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. Make sure it's on ground level. Secondly, start the system. We need to add some water mixed with compostable waste to start the bacterial culture. Let it sit for a few days. Thirdly, we need to feed the BioBin every day. Add small amounts of kitchen waste such as veggie or fruit peels, cooked rice or bread scraps. But we need to avoid meat, oil, dairy, or large bones. Seal the input lid tightly after feeding.
Number 4. Let the biogas transfer to the mini stove. As waste break down, biogas form and travels to the gas outlet tube and goes to the mini stove. Number 5. Learn on the stove for a fire usage. The soda bottle will harden if there's a gas transfer to the stove.
That is all from us. Bye!